Hi, my name is Andrej Prokes and I'm going to be showcasing you slow braised pork cheeks with some celeriac cream, mushroom and some parsley. So once the cheeks been cooked, drain them off on a tray. Take all the fat off and trim it down a little bit. So the glazing liquid for the cheeks is some veal stock and combining with some chicken stock. Let that reduce down by 1/3. Place the pork cheek in and keep glazing them, and at the same time reduce it. Now for the mushrooms, heat your pan up, touch olive oil and start coloring the bigger mushrooms, followed by adding the other mushrooms. Chop some thyme. At the same time you have your cheeks on as well, glazing them up. You get your celeriac puree on, roll that through. All ready to plate. Mushrooms. Place the off cheeks. Some parsley oil. Some of the sauce. And some mushroom powder. Buon appetit!